This video will show you how to work with the speed limiter and Besselfrequence in point-to-point mode. For the other modes it works the same as for point-to-point mode. The speed limiter and Besselfrequence can be found in the tuner on top of your screen. The speed limiter is called the ramp and can be found here. The speed limiter is used to limit the maximum speed used in the setpoint trajectory. When set to 0, there is no limit set. Now we will increase the ramp. With a ramp of 5, the actuator will not go faster than 5 mm per second. The Bessel frequency is used to shape the setpoint trajectory for the displacement from A ref to B ref. By increasing the Bessel frequency, the setpoint trajectory will become more aggressive and displacement will be faster. By decreasing the Bessel frequency, the A ref to B ref setpoint trajectory will become smoother and less aggressive. Displacement will be slower. By tuning the Bessel frequency, the best compromise between speed of movement and aggressiveness can be found. The effect of the Bessel frequency also can be seen in the graph. For more information about the MMA, visit our YouTube channel.